Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I take you through my diecast collection. Today we have with us the Bugatti Veyron by Mortal, and this is a really beautiful diecast. Let me go ahead and unbox this and show you what's inside. I have gone ahead and unboxed this car. Now this particular car is a 372 of 799, so it is a very rare car. Let's take a closer look at the car. The Bugatti Veyron was one of the fastest cars in the world, and Mortal has done absolute justice to this particular diecast. The front end is beautifully done with this lensed headlights which are done in acrylic. You can see the delicate grille in the front and it has the Bugatti logo. Even the glass area right here is very clear so that you can see the beautiful interior of the car. Coming to the side, it has a really nice stance. You can see that it comes with rubber tires and it has a very detailed rim. You can see the disc brakes and the brake calipers. Also the brakes are perforated, so it gives a really nice detail. You have the fuel filler cap, which is a separate metal piece. The back tires as well are very well detailed. You have the turn indicator here. The mirrors have reflectors, so that is a very nice touch. Coming to the rear end of the car, you have the Bugatti logo in the center, and this is a photo metal piece. You have the acrylic tail lights, which are beautifully done in that dual tone white and red. You have the Bugatti name in the number plate and the metal tip exhaust. The wing is movable, it is retractable. Firstly, it is two layered, so this part as well moves up and down, and you can go ahead and retract the spoiler. Here you go. From the top, you can see the engine bay. This is a 16-cylinder engine and is beautifully done in metal. You can see all the 16-cylinder heads right here, and take a look at that interior. You have the quilted seats, you have the dashboard that is very well laid out. Even the Bugatti logo on the steering wheel is done pretty well. This Bugatti looks really very beautiful. This limited edition Bugatti Veyron has costed me 2,500, and for its price it is a very beautiful car. I believe that this should be in every collector's collection. Firstly, because it is a Bugatti Veyron, and secondly, it is one of the most detailed Bugatti models that you can buy in 1/64 scale. So, if you ever find Mortal listed anywhere, go ahead and buy it. I have also reviewed the Bugatti Chiron earlier. You can go ahead and watch that. The link is in the description below. Also, for more such content and comparisons of other Bugatti models that I have, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video.